Hi, I'm Brendan with Cobot team, and I'm here today to demonstrate Sawyer playing Tic Tac Toe. Right now our Python program is asking me if I want to be X or O's. I'm going to choose O and hit enter. So now this will tell Sawyer to move to position 1 on the board, which is what I selected. Now it'll be his turn, and we've got some patterns built in here. We have 2 5x1 patterns for the X and O. We have the 3x3 pattern for the tic-tac-toe board. The Python code will tell Sawyer where to pick and place depending on what comes out of the game over a TCP IP socket. It's going to ask me what move I want to make, and I'm going to go to number 5. We have our board here that we fabricated in our shop. My next move is, oh no, it's his move next. And I'm not going to let him beat me this time. Block him at number 8. We have our board encoded as a 9-key keyboard, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And Sawyer's not programmed to win or stalemate every time, so it can be a little exciting. He just blocked me. This is all done using the Intera graphical user interface. And go number 3. We have an EMI electric parallel gripper on here with some 3D printed fingers that we designed here in-house. So go. And the other cool thing we did was programmed him to remember where the parts came from and went, and he will put the X's and O's back into position so we can play another game. We also have force sensing built in, so if somebody's hand gets in the way, they'll retract and not clamp anybody. Even without the force sensing, Sawyer's collaborative, and he has built-in force sensing and is designed not to work with people and not to injure anyone. But we've built in the extra force sensing for added safety. So I'll stick my hand under his gripper after he's got a few of these back in place. Kind of show you the Intera interface kind of running. So I kind of put my hand under it. A very light touch. And that's Sawyer Tic Tac Toe from Cobot team. Thank you for watching.